Okay, working with language part. Write the meaning of these words and phrases taking help from the help box. Now you have to write the meaning. Homesick. Homesick means wanting to be home. A person who wanted to be to at home. Okay, that's called homesick. Practically, almost. It pains me means it hurts me. Appreciate. Appreciate means understanding the difficulties. Person who want to appreciate means who want to understand the problems of others. Now, thoughtless, not very caring. Okay, careless person called be thoughtless person. Exercise to test the strength. Relief, a welcome change. When we get relief from something, that's called a change, a welcome change. Ghastly, terribly, very scarefully, okay, with fear. Now, reword these lines from the story. Means you have to write this sentence in some other form. You can tell a sentence in so many forms. So you have to write this sentence. I had heard a great deal about Miss Beam's school. So you can also write it like this. I had came to know a lot about the school run by Miss Beam. Now, Miss Beam was all that I had expected, middle-aged, full of authority. Miss Beam was middle-aged administrative, as I had thought her to be. As he expected about her, she was same as his expectations. Now, I went to the window which overlooked a large garden. So we can write it this sentence like this also. I walked towards a window from which one could see a garden of a large size. We cannot bandage the children's mouths, so they really have to exercise their willpower. It is not possible to put bandages in children's mouths, so an exercise of willpower is required for this. Now, you have to write the meanings in this particular question. So you have to write the meaning of ghastly. Ghastly means causing fear and very bad. And you have to find the one word for a part of the school year. So a part of the school year called a term. Find a word that means examinations means test. Now, fill in the blanks with the prepositions of time and position. You have to fill the correct preposition in the blanks. So butter is kept in the refrigerator. The accident took place at the middle of the road. So preposition of place, particular place we use at, okay, or when something is inside anything, so we use in or into. That is why in here. The members of the club are quarreling among themselves. When person more than two, so we use among. When persons are two, so we use between. The thief had a scar on his face. He hid his book under the pillow. His house is located between two buildings. So here example of two peoples, two things. So when there is two persons or two things, we use between. And more than two, when we talk about when we compare about when we talk about two or more things, we used among, and when two are there, so we used between. Now, fill in the blanks with is, am, or are. So according to the person, you have to use it is raining heavily. So it is singular. Okay. So why are you late to school? You are plural. So we use are with it. There is too many. So many is counted as singular. So there is many books in my bag. Mom and dad are not at home. Mom and dad plural. Now you have to fill the verb according to present tense. So Ankur is singular, so we have to add es. So Ankur goes to school every day. We are hungry. We is plural, so we use desire. There is no need to add s or es with it. No change is required. We desire some food. Mother cooks food. Mother is singular. I want to see your bag. I is plural. He drives his car. He is singular. That is why we add here s. Now, I must go to Delhi tomorrow. You have to fill the suitable models. He should come to learn to the lesson. You have to fill the correct models here. Now, you have to match with correct adjective according to the noun. Yes, like quick fox, rotten fruit, intelligent student, pretty girl. Okay, and these are some unscrambled words you have to write in a meaningful words. So simple. Okay, so exercise has been finished. Till then, stay safe, stay home. Goodbye.